Hi, everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Tracie Mahan, and this is going to be a channel segment with Arcturian, Daniel, and friends. Please, before we get started, go check out the links down below for upcoming events. I have the Enchanted Forest, which is in person September 7th and 8th in Washington. Details about that are in the link down below. And then on September 28th and 29th, I have a 2-day online workshop for the light, medium, and deep states of channeling and learning those channels and interactive, and then a bonus 45-minute one-on-one with me after we've completed the course. And then there's Egypt in January, and that's 17 days of amazing, great time in Egypt, and then Iceland in June. So please come check those things out. And those are going to be some extraordinary events. Would love to share those events with you guys and get to see you guys in person for some of those too. So that would be wonderful as well. All right, let's go see what Daniel has to say for the energy coming up. We always enjoy being here with you all and sharing this time with you. And as we are tuning into the audiences, we are working our way through this energy of everyone, whether you are here when we first post this video or you are here a year later, 2 years later, does not matter. Your energy is here with us now, as time is irrelevant, isn't it? And your energy moves through space and time. It is here with us now. Today, we would like to take you on a journey to self, a journey into who you truly are. And so if you are listening to this, we would like you to make sure that you are somewhere where you can do this journey. So no driving and do not be preoccupied with other things. Take the time. If you are listening to this and you cannot do that right now, pause it and wait until you can and come back to this when you are able to sit quietly and just be on the journey. We ask you to go into the center of self. Go into the core of who you are. Go into that beautiful chakra system that is you, into that solar plexus, into the sacral and the heart chakras, moving in both directions, moving all the way up into the heavens and all the way down into the earth. Feel yourself being anchored into this beautiful energy. You are a part of everything. You are a particle of the universe. And as you are feeling yourself being connected in this way, as you are feeling yourself moving into this direction of all knowingness of who you are, where you are in this moment at this time, share this experience with conscious self. Be aware in the physical body of this connection to the etherical body. Tēnei ki inshinduri krama ansan. Te totama ki udo shalama ki udan mana anska. Shilu lama iwanki. Breathe in nice and deep. You are this beautiful soul making your way through this world in a physical body, having experiences, responding to those experiences, being a part of one larger experience of humankind. But when you are not in this body, you are different. So move out of the body now. Feel yourself rising up out of this body, moving through time and space, moving through the etherical realms, the dimensions of your earth, feeling, seeing, sensing, and understanding the many levels of you, the many vibrations and frequencies of you, your ability to create through these frequencies and vibrations. And as you move through the dimensions of the earth, you will see that you exist in all places. There is a version of you in all dimensions. And as you move your awareness from one to another, you have different experiences throughout those dimensional vibrations. You have a bad day, you might go into a lower frequency and a dimension that would reflect that. You have a good day, you might go into a higher frequency and a dimension and experiences that will reflect that. And as you learn how to navigate these emotions, you start to learn how to control where the dimensional shift that you experience is. And as you are moving through these frequencies, you are starting to remember the different timelines, if you will, or the different dimensional shifts that you are on and that you were on, and the changes that take place. You start to notice a difference in how you react, how you respond, what your personality is. Isn't that interesting? Yes, you have a different personality in each one of these shifts and dimensions because you open yourself up to new versions of self, knowledge, and understanding, or you close yourself down to certain knowledge and understanding. And as you continue to move through this beautiful experience with us, you start to understand your true self. You start to understand the multi-dimensional quantum being that you are. And you can see yourself now through your mind's eye, through this other layer of who you are, through this higher frequency experience, and through this understanding. As you look at yourself in your human form, navigating through this earthly world and this experience, we ask you to bring this knowledge back with you, this multidimensional quantum knowledge. Feel yourself move into these beautiful spaces. Feel it. And as you do, you will find yourself growing in ways that you didn't know you could. Experiencing Earth in a way that you didn't know you could. Powerfully moving through it with great love and compassion and kindness and understanding for humankind and humanity, and in the darkest of its depths and in the lightest of its light. And you will experience your world much differently. As you bring all these versions of yourself into union, use the resources you have with the understanding that is being given to you as you are downloaded with this understanding now. As you are integrating this information, as you are accessing these codes, you will understand there is greatness in you and your abilities and what you can create and what you can help others to create and what you can understand when you quiet the mind and you look at it from a new perspective and you embrace this beautiful version of you now in this new creation of reality that you have just now stepped into. And as you move yourself back into the human form from this place, the world that you will open your eyes up to will be different. And so will you, as you respond and understand and comprehend it differently. We welcome you back into your bodies now. And as you take a nice deep breath, you will be able to open your eyes and move back into the human form completely, but differently. Enjoy, celebrate your life, and create. We thank you with great gratitude for being here with us today. And we appreciate and love you very much. We'll bring you back Tracie now. Okay, well, I'm wearing the same clothes, but I do feel like that was an interesting, my head's still tingling from that feeling a little lightheaded. Very interesting to go through all the different dimensional versions of self in this world, in the quantum fields. All right, you guys, well, I'm still connecting, so I don't know what else I'm going to say at this point, but please check the like button, share if you feel like somebody could benefit from this, and let's keep growing this page. Don't forget to check out the links down below for the different events coming up. I would love to see you guys at those. If you would like to learn how to channel, that's happening at the end of September, 2-day online workshop, very interactive, and then a bonus 45-minute one-on-one where you can get some personal attention with that. All right, you guys, love you all very much. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.